Mm-hmm.
Gross.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to clean your office well or not?
Coming in for some shots.
Oh,
Oh shit! He did it again!
Are you freaking kidding me? I mean, what the fuck?
Hi, I'm Max, and well, this is Bester. We got married back in September of 2018, and for our first year anniversary, we decided to fly to Peru and take ayahuasca in the jungle. After that experience, we knew we were supposed to travel the world, and we're just going wherever the universe takes us and sharing our experiences. Click the subscribe button and join our journey. Welcome to Abesterlife. Up early this morning to head out to Weeki Wachee Springs. Gotta make sure our bags are packed, something to drink.
And them essentials right here. Starting it off right, huh?
Shh, those aren't really allowed.
Yeah, dope.
Ready to do it, man. Ready to get it on this kayaking dog.
Hey.
You stop.
Yeah.
Gotta stop at Publix, grab us a couple of sandwiches, because Publix sandwiches are definitely some of the best sandwiches for a day of kayaking on the river. It's gonna be an all-day trip.
That mask life, though.
Say it out loud.
Once we're out there, then we'll rent a couple of kayaks. We'll be renting kayaks, and you can usually rent them from the top of the stream, but we decided to go on short notice. So we actually rented our kayaks from down the street, which most people do. And then we paddle up the stream as much as we can, and then we end up riding the stream back down. Because by the time you're done paddling up, you're a little tired, and then you can just enjoy the stream back down.
Oh, it's a stamp for the eyeliner wing? Oh.
We're at the bottom of the river, which is a little bit muddy, but that's okay. We get to the clear blue waters in just a little bit, and that to me is the best part. So we're at Weeki Wachee Springs. Weeki Wachee was actually named by the Seminole Indians. It means little spring or winding river, and it's definitely the place to go. On this day, we took a self-guided paddling adventure that you can do alone, with family, with friends. It's a great time for everyone. We've even seen dogs enjoying the day on the river. You can pack a picnic and stop at one of the many small places to park your kayak and enjoy a lunch. You definitely want to pack a snack and something to drink, if nothing more. And this is us, living a day in Abesterlife at Lake Weeki Wachee. Weeki Wachee. Weeki Wachee. Okay, say it again.
Okay.
And this is a day living a Abesterlife at Lake Weeki Wachee. No, that's not what you said?
No, it's not what I
What
said.
did you say?
And this is us, living a Bester life, enjoying a day at Lake Weeki Wachee. Chill back and enjoy.
We also like to stop in some of the jumping spots and test our courage. Sometimes we'll find trees that you can swing from and jump in the water, or you can find a tree that you can climb and dive from. There's a lot of things to do. Either way, it's a beautiful place to be.
Look at that big boy.
There's some really beautiful parts of Weeki Wachee. It has crystal clear water. You can see the schools of fish just swimming along right next to our kayaks. When we're swimming in the water and we jump outside of the kayaks, they'll swim with us. We see family of manatees. It is sad to see how sometimes the manatees are cut up because the boat propellers get them. People don't realize that manatees do swim throughout those rivers and they're so big, so we're extra cautious with them, but they're such a joy to see. It's a really family fun environment, a good way to spend an entire day on the water. After a great day of kayaking, it's time to lazy river it down the stream. We don't have to paddle. The stream's current will take us. Then we start heading home, and on the way, we get some delicious food. Let's see what we find.
Boo!
Yeah, baby. Ooh.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Uh-oh, about to tear this food up.
What's going on in here?
Yeah.